Hello, in this video you will learn about goods and services and check your understanding by completing a quiz. Let's go. So what are goods? Well, goods are things you can see, touch, use or eat. Some examples of goods include food, toys and clothes. What are services? Services are jobs or things that people do to help others. Some examples of services include a doctor, a chef and a teacher. You can now complete a quiz to check if you can identify goods and services. A soccer ball? If your answer is a good, that is correct. A soccer ball can be seen, touched and played with, so it is a good. A haircut? A haircut is a service. A pizza? A pizza is a good. A police officer? A police officer provides a service by helping and protecting the public. What about a hospital? A hospital is an example of a service. A pair of headphones? A pair of headphones is a good. What about a firefighter? A firefighter provides a service. A necklace? If you said good, you are right. An electrician? An electrician provides a service. A car wash? A car wash provides a service. That was the end of the quiz. Well done and thanks for watching.